What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and today I'm showing you how to create this generic part in Flux. Once you pull it into your project, just select the size you want and boom! You have a generic part that can dynamically change the footprint and 3D model based on your selection. Now let me show you how I did it. First, I started by adding the pins, thumbnail, and description. This part will support most coin cells from 10mm to 24mm. But how do you tell what sizes the coin cells are? Well, the first two numbers of the model are the diameter in millimeters, while the last two specify the height. Okay, now that we know how the numbers work, let's continue building this part in Flux. I need to create a package property and not the package and case code property. In the autocomplete box, just enter each selection and press enter to add another one. This is what allows us to change the size when we import this into a project. Okay, once that's done, you can see the list of options we created. Now let's open the asset panel. I've uploaded a footprint and 3D model for each size. It's important that the ID on the footprint is the same as on the list that we created a minute ago. Moving over to the PCB tab, I need to add an asset property to the footprint as well as the model. The asset chosen here will be the default when the part is imported into a project. Finally, let's take a look at the code tab. I'm going to go through this fairly quickly, but you can take a look at this code in greater detail in the link below. First we have the terminal IDs, which are the 3 pins for this part. You can get the ID by selecting the terminal and copying the object ID here. Next we have the footprint and 3D model. You can find those in the PCB tab by selecting the footprint or model object. The next two sections will get all of the footprint and model assets that we uploaded. Then it will listen to the package property. Finally, it will change the footprint and 3D model accordingly. When you're done, just publish this part to the library just like any other, and you have a generic part that can be changed dynamically. I'll leave a link to this project as well as other helpful resources in the description below. If this tutorial has been helpful, give it a like and I'll see you guys in the next one.